Hello guys, today we're gonna do a frog life cycle model. You only need a cardboard, a shape like an oval or a circle, and you need constructive paper, you need black and white and green Play-Doh, and you need scissors, and you just need 2 toothpicks. Let's start by first cutting the paper, with the construction paper, and we'll glue it over the cardboard. But I need an adult's help to help me with the scissors. But we're putting the glue on the cardboard now so we could stick the paper. Look at this. S-A-N. S-A-N. Now we glued the constructive paper on the cardboard. So now let's cut all the rest of it. Now guys, we finished the whole cardboard circle. Now it's all water. Now we're gonna make the grass. But we also need some help cutting it with the scissors. Oh. Daddy's gonna help me cut the grass for me. While Daddy cuts the grass, I'm gonna be making the frog. First we need to make it a big ball. The biggest ball. We need to take off one medium size. Yeah, we need a smallest ball you ever need for this one, and then you make up the biggest ball and you do with this one. Okay, now we have a small ball for a small frog for the body, and this is for the head now. And then we're gonna make the hand and the leg of the frog. Let's do the hands, guys. Now we do like this, and then we flatten it. And then we use the toothpick. This big. To make its webbed feet. Now, guys, we're gonna attach the arms to the frog. Let's do the leg, guys. Okay, so I got a ball, and I guess we have to flatten it a little bit, like this. Yeah, like this much, and then we do the same thing like this. See, we got a leg. Now we're gonna attach the legs. Right here. Now let's do the head. Now let's stick the head right here. Make 2 small balls for the eyes. And we're gonna use there. Those are ears or eyes? Those ears or eyes? Okie dokie, he's gonna be smiling because we make him. He'll be a happy frog.
Yes, sir. Good. It's super small.
This is the first one. The first eye, because it does not look like. Hey, what is that? Looks like an Oreo. Can I do the next one? I want to do the next eye.
Okay, do
it.
Ava,
you're literally gonna make
his eye
you're
is
literally
bigger
gonna
than
make
his
my
head.
grade not good. I got another white ball.
Good job.
Let's put it on the eye.
Now you're done?
Yes, Mama. Now let's do like the grass here and then the lily pad so the frog can stay on it.
Yeah, definitely we're gonna do that.
Now let's do the eggs. Small white ball, and then I'm putting an eye. It's just like the frog eye, except it's an egg. Now let's put it with these other 2 eggs. Hello.
Yeah, we're gonna need a lot of eggs.
Now guys, we're gonna make the tadpole. It's very, very easy. It's way easier than the frog. All what you need to do is you need to break this apart. Like you need to make it into 2 balls.
I'm gonna do the eyes.
Okay, we
Frog.
just need 1 ball.
Look at the eyes.
Those are big eyes, Ava. You just put it together. And then you just make it like that, and then
Like this?
Good job.
now time for the eyes. We'll make the eyes.
Now let's put the eyes.
Wow, so cute.
I'm swimming. We're gonna put the eggs.
Yes, good job.
I'm gonna place the tadpole now. Yay, it has fun time swimming.
It's swimming in
There
water.
you go. And now what we are supposed to do now?
Tadpole's legs.
Yeah, tadpole with legs.
And this is so easy because it's just like the tadpole, except with legs.
Yeah.
So right now we just make 2 balls like this. We got 2 balls right here, and now we're gonna make 1 ball with a tail. See, like this. And you make it like that, and then like that again. See, just like what's happening. Next eyes for Ava. And then we're gonna do the legs.
Tata, let me get my stuff out.
Legs. I made the
The
legs.
eye. Where's
It's
my...
a 1. Okay, now let's take some water. Then let's dip it on this stuff. Then let's put it over here. 2 arms done. We need to make the tadpole like that, and then
Now we
like
have
that,
to make the...
and then we're finished. It's a tadpole with legs. Let's put him on with his friends. With his friends.
Okay, now what we still need?
You need the frog. The froglet.
Do the froglet.
Except with a frog head and 4 legs.
I'm gonna make them
And a turtle that's a little bit little. So now we're gonna do the 4 legs. The 4 legs is actually easy. You have to make this like the same size again. Like the same size. Now let's put this on. And then let's make the front legs, which is skinnier. Like this. And then we just use this one again. We just use this one. And then we put it over here. And then now we just have to do the webbed feet.
Let's do the fingers.
Okay,
Let's do the eyes now.
okay,
Do 2 small like that.
okay.
Put the first eye.
Then the second eye. And then let's put this on. Then let's put the black. Now, are we finished?
Yes.
Okay, now let's put it. Wait, Mama, we need a web feet on the big one. I don't. Now, guys, we're finished the froglet. So now let's put on our life cycle. Now we bring our life cycle, guys. So let's put the froglet right over here. And then we're gonna use the frog. This is the frog. Let's put it over here. Now we're finished. So let's put the arrows and let's put the lily pads for the frogs. Now I'm gonna draw the lily pad. This is for the frog and this is for the froglet.
Okay, let's cut it then.
Now that we cut the lily pads, and Ava's gonna glue
Right
them.
here?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, like that.
Okay. And the other one.
And then I put the lily frog.
Now let's put the arrows.
Okay. This one.
No, this one on the second one. Yes.
Wow, they're swimming. He's not swinging. He.
Now, since we're finished, let's draw the arrows. Then we're gonna curve up for the tadpole's legs for the life cycle to start all over again.
Now
That we cut the arrows by grown-ups' help. Let's glue them. First, let's do this.
Okay. Sam, put the arrows.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we're gonna write right here. You're gonna write frog's life cycle.
You see how big?
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's write their names.
It's then tadpole. Tadpole's legs. Froglet. Now it's a frog.
Here we go.
Look at that. It looks so beautiful. I hope you enjoy watching our video. And make sure to subscribe and like the